Hello, VIPs. Good to be in your energies and amazing to be with you all last night that we're able to make it for the messages from your loved ones. I was all tearing up. I was like, ooh, 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 loved ones. Always amazing to be in your energies. So I'm excited to bring this forward today. Very excited. I feel that many of us probably are faced with this. Hi, Kathy. And I feel like those of us who are faced with this is probably just a human condition, actually. Come on, Charlie. And what it is did I make the right decision? So, hi, MJ. Julian says hi. He's waving at you. Aw, hi, Julian. Yay. So I feel to say that there are perhaps many times in my life that I have wondered if I've made the right decision. And I feel too that I've shared before about the second thought phenomenon and just to trust your gut and to go with your instincts. So that's number one. So just recognizing that when you've made a decision, more than likely you have followed from your gut, right? So especially if you almost feel like you made the decision, I want to say not thinking, so you just dove in. So you just, okay, I'm going to do this, definitely not impulsive by any means. I mean, you probably utilized, come on guys, you probably utilized yourself and your foresight to recognize that you'd be safe in making this decision, right? But making the decision, being in the knowing of the decision, and all of a sudden, second thought jumps in. And all of a sudden, you're like, did I make the right decision? Right? That's what I'm talking about. So with that, when you're there, what just recently came to me is anybody can tell you yes, right? I can tell myself yes, I made the right decision, right? What helped me though was that, yes, you made the right decision. You made the decision. It's already out there. It's already vibing. And with that too, what's happening here is that the universe is accommodating for you. Is that you put it out there. The universe had this dream on your heart. Spirit, the angels put this desire on your heart. You needed to walk forward with it. And so the decision's already been made and the universe will accommodate. And I loved that. And the decision I made was a big one. And with this decision that I made, I feel like I make a lot of big decisions. I'm like, damn it. Anyway, with this big decision that I made, it was definitely based on past experience. It was definitely based on, knowing that I'm up-leveling, knowing that things are getting bigger as well. So I definitely had, a springboard to jump off of. And once there, then recognizing that the universe accommodates and also walking in that trust. So trusting spirit, trusting universe that there's a lot of spirits through here. Sorry, did you see me look? I was startled. But just trusting that spirit has got you and trusting that you did make the right decision. And whatever happens, however it happens, it's going to be for your best and highest good. And spirit has got you. And universe, spirit is going to accommodate for you. So I love that. I'm going to be coming up into some sunshine on a cloudy day. And I hope that resonated. And you just let me know. Let me know how it resonated. Let me know, what you think of that. So recognizing again, just to reiterate, I made a decision. I go into second thought, whoops, right? And then knowing that the universe is going to accommodate, knowing that it's going to be for your best and highest good, and knowing you can walk in trust with that. So you guys have an amazing day. We'll talk to you soon.